Welcome to my class, and in this class I'm going to talk about what are the factors that affect elasticity of supply. We are continuing on with Unit 6, and in the last classes we were talking about uh, some numericals on elasticity of supply, the types of elasticity of supply. So after all, which are the factors that affect elasticity of supply? It could be the nature of the commodity, it could be the time period, it could be the behavior of the producers, it could be the facilities that are available. So just have a look. It's not such an important question, but I'm sure you should know a little bit about it. So just let's take the first one, change in the cost of production. Elasticity of supply of a commodity depends on how cost responds to change in output. If with an increase in output, cost of production per unit also goes up, supply will then rather be less elastic. It is so because incentive of getting high profit as a result of price rise is choked off by increase in cost of production. As against it, if per unit cost of production rises slowly or very hardly noticeably, very negligibly, then what happens as production increases, the producer will produce more to earn more profits, making the supply elastic. So cost of production really plays a very important part in it being elastic or not, or being less elastic. Nature of commodity. So we are talking about durable items and perishable items. So perishable items, less elastic; durable items, more elastic supply. And talking about perishable items, and we can bring about agriculture, which has more of perishable items, and so it is, the supply is more or less, it is absolutely less elastic. And here industrial goods, they have more shelf life, so it is more elastic. So that's the nature of commodity that we are talking about. The agriculture, industrial, durable or perishable also affects the elasticity of supply. For example, elasticity of supply of industrial good is more than that of agricultural goods because they have durable goods. So durable goods is more than that of perishable goods like fresh vegetables, which cannot be stored even for the next day. So that's it. So let's take time period now. Generally, elasticity of supply is more in the long period than in the short period of time, because in the long period, higher prices can be made, adjustments can be made to higher prices, and supply of commodity can be changed accordingly, as against supply is inelastic in the short period. So time period really plays a very important role in it being elastic or not elastic. And of course, if you have more facilities, then it becomes elastic. When it is lesser facilities will make it inelastic. So this is what, in short, are the factors that affect elasticity of supply. And there are many others also. If you can look for them, you can learn them up.